To enable backlight effects in POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to additional settings and look for the backlight effect. Now, if you select it, you'll be able to, you'll be able to turn it off, on, or only when the screen is face down. That means your phone is put onto the table screen first. Now, when you have this option active, you can adjust the effects. For incoming call reminders, you can put it on all of the calls, only the contacts, on all, or only your favorite contacts. You can also change the game lighting effect for specific supported games. You can go for rhythmic light effects and apply it to some of the apps that will then use the backlight with a different effect depending on the music that is playing. You can also apply it to different notifications, and you can also enable or disable camera status indicator, which will turn on backlight when taking timed or burst shots. You can also change the color for incoming calls and app notifications. And lastly, you can adjust the brightness for your backlight. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.